In this video, we'll show you how Visitors in Spacebring helps you create a smooth guest experience while boosting security in your co-working space. Visitor management turns your front desk into an automated reception. It enables fast check-in for expected guests, speedy registration for walk-ins, and real-time visibility into who is in your space. Getting the reception app ready takes just a few clicks. You can customize invitations to give guests directions and arrival guidelines. Allow unregistered visitors to search for the person they are meeting by name or company. Track visit durations when guests check out, and collect contact details from walk-ins at reception. For planned visits, members easily pre-register guests in the web or mobile app by entering a few details. The guest then receives a personalized invitation with their visit details, location, and a unique 6-digit express check-in code. Upon arrival, guests can check in effortlessly on the reception app using their code, and the host is notified instantly. This self-service workflow reduces wait times and keeps reception running smoothly. Visitors also makes it easy to handle unexpected guests. Walk-ins can register themselves in the reception app and select the member they are visiting. The host receives an approval request right away, and once it is approved, the visitor is notified immediately. When visitors leave, they can check themselves out. This gives you accurate visit durations and checkout time records. If a walk-in is interested in a tour or membership, they can leave their contact details in the reception app, turning your reception tablet into a lead capture tool. On the admin side, everything is managed from one unified dashboard. You get a real-time view of expected guests, pending requests, and captured leads. You can also open any visit to see exact check-in and check-out times. Most importantly, you maintain a secure and well-managed environment for your community. With Spacebring Visitors, you can create a better first impression for guests and strengthen security in your space.